Hi everybody, my name is Srinivas. Welcome to Raman tutorials. Okay, so today I'm going to start one of the important topics which will be useful in TET, Gpstr as well as Hstr, and moreover in so many competitive exams it will be helpful. Okay, so first of all I will discuss about arithmetic progression, right? In this arithmetic progression I will start step by step method. Step by step method means first of all I will start in easiest method and I will do some little bit of easiest problems, and after that I will increase the level of difficulty. Okay, right. So once again, now we are going to start our topic, which is arithmetic progression, right? So we, before going arithmetic progression, we need to know about sequence. We need to know about sequence. So what is sequence? Here I have written the definition. Sequence. Sequence is nothing but sequence is nothing but the set of all elements arranged in a definite order. Set of all elements arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule. Okay, what do you mean by definite order? Means definite order is nothing but particular order should be there. Okay, so to understand easily I will give one definition, right, or one example I will give. Simple, we can write a definite order like 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. Okay, so I have taken this one. So right, so 2 4 6 8 and so on I have taken. What is meaning of this? In this particular order is there. What is that order? There is a common difference. What is that common difference? 2 4 6 8 10. The common difference is 2. We have taken 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 I have taken, right. And next, moreover, in this 2 4 6 8 10 we have a definite order. Order means particular order is there. That order is the common difference is 2 between 4 and 2 as well as 6 and 4, 8 and 6, right? For example, I will take 3n. 3n I will take. 3n means I will take it. Right. 3n is nothing but 3n where n belongs to capital N I will take. 3n where n belongs to capital N. So in this, so n is equal to 1 I will take. What is n is equal to 1? Then we can write it as 3 into 1 is nothing but 3. Okay, n is equal to 2 I will take. In this we can put it 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. N is equal to 3. So in this we can write it as 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So the order is 3, 6, 9 and so on. In this way we will have. So the particular definite order is 3n where n belongs to capital N. N belongs to capital N means a set of all natural numbers, right? So definite rule. What is definite rule means? This is the rule where all natural numbers we have taken and we have substituted in the place of n. So n is equal to 1 is nothing but 3 into 1 3, n is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and so on, right? This is about sequence. So what do you mean by sequence? Sequence is set of all elements arranged in a definite order according to some particular rule. Okay, right. So here, after that, I will go to one more condition, that is here we have written 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on we have written. No, in this these are called terms. Okay, terms means first term we will indicate with T1, 4 second term we will indicate with T2, third term T3, and fourth term T4, and so on. We can write the nth term in the form of Tn. Okay, so in sequence we will consider this as first term, this as second term, this as third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on we will get, right? So this is about sequence. Okay, after that, series. What do you mean by series? Series nothing but sum of elements, sum of elements of sum of elements of sequence, sum of elements of sequence, that is called series. What do you mean by sum of elements? Just as before we have taken, this is called sequence, I told, right? In this sequence I will take once again. What is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. We have taken this as sequence. And here definition what I said is sum. Sum is nothing but addition. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and 10 and so on. The summation is called series. Series is nothing but sum of elements of sequence, right? This is about series definition. So next, we are coming to the original definition. What do you mean by progression? So, the sequences or the series which have a particular condition, right? So, we have different types of progressions will be there. Those are arithmetic progression as well as geometric progression as well as harmonic progression, right? Next, after that, some more will be there, arithmetic geometric progression also, right? So here we will see the main topic, that is arithmetic progression. So what is definition of arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is nothing but a sequence. Arithmetic progression is nothing but a sequence. First of all, sequence we needed, it should have particular definite condition. Okay, what is that condition? A sequence is said to be arithmetic progression if the this is the main key, difference between any two consecutive terms should be same. Consecutive term means one after one. The terms which comes one after one, those are called consecutive terms. Okay. So I will take one example, easiest example, and which will be you can identify easily, right? So same example I will take. Just before I have taken, what is that example? Example, I will take one sequence, that is 2 comma 4 comma 6 as well as 8, 10, and so on I have taken, right? So in this in this what is particular condition? Is it called as arithmetic progression? Okay, I said what is the definition of arithmetic progression? The difference between any two consecutive terms. Okay, here consecutive terms means we can take 2 4 or 4 6 or 6 8 or 8 10 or any one you can take. Okay, so uh, for example, I will take the difference between 4 and 2. How much you have? 2. Next, difference between 6 and 4. How much you have? 2. Difference between 8 and 6. How much you have? 2. Right? Here, the common difference is same. Okay? According to definition, arithmetic progression we will denote with AP. Right? Arithmetic progression means the difference between any two consecutive terms. Here 2 4 are consecutive terms. Difference 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. That's why this represents arithmetic progression, right? For example, I will take one more example. 3 9, next 27, and so on. I have taken. Is it called arithmetic progression? Let us check. Okay. Here, the difference between these two, won't be same. Okay. Though, that means the difference between these two will not be same. That's why it is not called arithmetic progression. That means 9 minus 3 value does not equal to 27 minus 9. Okay, that's why we can say that it is not a arithmetic progression, right? So arithmetic progression means, I think you understood, the difference, common difference should be same between two consecutive terms, right? How can we write the standard form of arithmetic progression? Okay, before that arithmetic progression we will say that common difference we have. What is common difference? Common difference, common difference we will denote with D. Okay, common difference always we will denote with D. And in the sequence, first term. What is first term? First term we will call, or we can denote with A. Okay, common difference is D and first term is A. Here before example, what is that? In the before example, this 2 is called first term. So we will write it as A is equal to 2. And the common difference is there, no? This is 2, 2, 2. Common difference we will write it as D is equal to 2. Here first term is 2 and the common difference is 2. Okay. And moreover, we have already discussed in sequence, this is called first term, this is called second term, this is called third term, fourth term, and so on, right? Next, here we can write like this: first term is T1 is A. Okay, next common difference is called D, right? So how the arithmetic progression will be? What is the standard form of the arithmetic progression will be? See here, A plus D, A plus 2D, as well as A plus 3D, and so on. Okay, so this is called standard form of arithmetic progression, right? So in this, can we call this as arithmetic progression? Let us check. In arithmetic progression, what is the main condition? The common difference should be same. The difference between any two consecutive terms. So a plus d minus a. A got cancelled, that will be d. If you take these two also, a plus 3d minus of a plus 2d. Okay, so here plus a minus a got cancelled, 3d minus 2d. How much the common difference will be? D. Okay, here also d, here also d. That's why this represent the standard form of the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Clear? Right. In this arithmetic progression, here just earlierly I told what is that? First term T1 is equal to A, right? And this is called second term. What is second term? T2. T2 is equal to A plus D. Okay, and third term T3 is equal to A plus 2D. Fourth term T4 is equal to A plus 3D. Right? Here we will observe one common condition. What is that? Here 2 A plus D we have. For 3 2 we have. For 4 3 we have. For 5 here what we get? 4. Right? In that way we will get for n. What we get? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So this is called nth term. This is called nth term of the sequence, which is in arithmetic progression, right? So nth term, what is nth term? Nth term will be Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is called nth term of the arithmetic progression, right? So this is about arithmetic progression. After that, after getting arithmetic nth term, we need to know about sum of n terms. Okay, what do you mean by sum of n terms? I will do here sum of n terms. Right, so sum of n terms will be like this. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. How sum of n terms will be? Sum of n terms will be, okay. Like that. Comment should come. Right. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms will be Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Actually, sum of n terms we will denote with Sn. Okay. To understand easily, I will give one example. Okay. Sum of n terms. For example, I will take a arithmetic progression which is finite. Finite means which have finite number of elements, right? 1, 2, 3 only. Up to this I have taken, right? I need sum of n terms, sum of three terms I need. S3 is equal to, usually how to do, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6 we get. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Easy. So once we apply the formula, how it will be, let us check, right? In this, what is first term? A is equal to 1. What is common difference? D is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. How much it will be? 1. Common difference I got. Substitute in this, will we get same answer not? I will check. S3 is equal to n by 2. How many terms are there? 3 terms. So 3 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a value how much? 1. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 into d. D value how much? D value is 1. D is equal to 1. So D is equal to 1. I will substitute here. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 plus 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 4. 2 plus 2 will be 4. This is 2 2s are. That is equal to 3 2s are 6. Here, by adding, we got 6. In formula method also, we got 6. But you will get one question. What is that? This is easiest one, but this is lengthiest procedure. Okay, so the main thing is, for easiest problems you can do by this direct method, but the problems which are n terms, which are 100 terms, which are 1000 terms, this formula will be helpful. Okay, of course I will give one more example. That means one more formula I will tell. What is that? Whenever you know the first term as well as last term. Okay, suppose first term means I will take first term. As we know, first term first term is A, generally we will take, and last term last term is equal to L. Whenever you know first term as well as last term, the sum of n terms formula will be Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, so here A is first term and L is last term. Okay, I will check the same example by taking previous one. What is previous one? 1 2 3. Okay, here S3 is equal to n by 2. N by 2 means 3 by 2 into A plus L. First one we know, A is nothing but 1 plus L is nothing but 3. So here we got 3 by 2 into 4. Same, 2 2s are 4. That is nothing but 3 2s are 6. Okay, so have you understood the difference between all these? In first one, I did it directly. I got 6. In second formula, I got 6. In third formula also, I got 6 only. But this is the formula. This is the formula. This is the formula which is useful for sum of n terms whenever first term as well as last term given, and this is the formula Sn is equal to whenever last term is not given. Okay, I think you can note it down. So this is Sn formula, this is Sn formula. Okay, Right. Next, we will do one more condition, which is also main important, right? The condition is, suppose you know Sn. Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. Okay, you know Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1 is nothing but sum of n minus 1 terms. Okay, sum of n terms, sum of n minus 1 terms. Try to get the difference. Example same. I will take 1 2 3 4. Okay, sum of n terms means total 1 2 3 4. Okay, how much? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. Okay, sum of n minus 1, that is nothing but this is S4. Okay, sum of n minus 1 terms. N minus 1 terms means I will take up to these three only. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. This is S3. Okay, I will subtract these two. S4 minus S3. S4 minus S3. What I get? S4 is 10 minus S3 is 6. How much you get? S3 is 6. Here S3 value 6. Here 10 minus 6 is equal to how much you got? 4. 4 is nothing but last term or fourth term. Okay, so by S4 minus S3 I got last term. Okay, from this I will arrive one condition. What is that? Sn minus Sn minus 1 will be the last term, that is nth term. This is main important formula. Nth term is Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. I think you understood easily by this example. Okay, in this example I have taken S4 as well as S3. The difference is last term, that is 4. Similarly, Sn minus Sn minus 1, the last term will be Tn. Okay, based on this I will do some problems. Okay, let us see. First easiest problem we will solve. Right, uh, this one, right? Okay, the question, what is the question? If first term of AP is given, right? First term of AP is given means generally the solution, it is dark. Okay, now it will be okay. Solution, right? Okay, first term of AP is given, right? First term of AP generally we will take it as A is equal to minus 1. First term is given, no? And next common difference is given. What is the common difference? D we can denote with common difference. D is equal to minus 3. Okay, then the question was asked 12th term, right? 12th term means we need to find T12. Okay, T12 we need to find, right? So for that I will use this condition T12. What is formula for T12? T12 is equal to formula, generally what I told, Tn is equal to nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. It is very simple. Just substitute in this. T12 means n value how much? 12, right? I'm going to substitute. Let it minus 1 A plus n minus 1. 12 minus 1 into d. D means we have minus 3. Okay, so minus, we need to be careful for this. That is equal to, so minus 1 plus 12 into 12 minus 1 will be 11. 11 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 1 here, plus, okay, let it be 11 into minus 3 value minus 33. Okay, so here we know one condition, plus into minus will be minus. So that's value will be minus 1 minus 33. So hence the answer will be minus 34. Here the correct answer is minus 34. Okay. See once again, first term given as well as common difference given, then we need to find 12th term, right? We have nth term formula and I substituted in this a value minus 1, d value minus 3 and n value minus 2, mean 12. So minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11, 11 into 3, 33 minus 33, its value will be minus 34. So we got T12 value. I think you understood easily, right? We will go to another problem. See the another problem, right? This is also in similar method, but little bit of change. Okay. Now let us do the problem. So before doing the problem, we need to see what was given, right? What was given? So before starting solution, I will check what was given. First term is given. First term is 4. What is A is equal to 4, right? And nth term given. What is nth term? Uh, I mean, nth is nothing but here, ninth term. So, T9 given. T9 is equal to 20, right? And here we need to find 15th term, right? The question is T15, right? We need to find T15. Clear? See, first of all, from the given conditions, I will find D value, right? Let us see. We have T9 is equal to 20. T9 is nothing but generally we have the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. It is the formula for Tn. Okay. Similarly, T9 is equal to, we can write it as A 4 plus 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 into D is equal to how much given? 20. Okay. So T9 value 20, right? From this, I will write like this: 4 plus 9 minus 1 8d, 9 minus 1 8d is equal to 20. From this we can write it as 8d is equal to, the plus 4 will become minus 4. So 20 minus 4. So 8d is equal to 16. Then the d value will be 8 to the 16. See, I got d value. I have a value as well as d value, right? Now it is easy to find T15. See how to do T15. Very easy. T15. T15 is equal to A. A is nothing but we have A. A is 4. So 4A plus n minus 1. N is nothing but 15 minus 1 into D. D means 2. Okay. That is equal to 4 plus 15 minus 1 is nothing but 14 into 2. That is 4 plus 14 to the 28. 28 plus 4, 32. I got the answer 32. Okay, as I said, I will start with the easiest problems and I will move on and I will do the level of difficulty, right? So starting we will do little bit of easiest problems. After that we will do some difficult problem also, okay, which were given in competitive exams, right? So these are basic problems, okay. Chalo, let's move on to another problem. What is another problem? Let us see. Solution. So before starting solution, as I said, we need to see the concept, what was given, right? So this is also same, but little bit of change. Here what was asked? N, right? What was given in an AP? If the common difference is 2, common difference is given, right? Common difference is generally, how can we denote? D is equal to 2. Common difference D is equal to 2. Clear. And sum of n terms given, see, this is main. Sum of n terms is 49 and seventh term is also given. What is seventh term? T7 is equal to 13. Okay, so uh, T7 is equal to 13 means we can apply formula for that. T7 means A plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1 into D. How much D value? 2 is equal to 13. Right? So actually I need n value. In question what was given? Sn. Sn is equal to 49. Right? Sn is nothing but formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to how much? 49. Here d already given, d I have, no problem. I need to find a value. Okay, for that I will use this condition. By using this condition I will find a value. Chalo, let us see. A plus 7 minus 1, 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 13. So A plus 6 2s are 12 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 minus 12. How much we get? 13 minus 12? 1. I got A value. See how it is easy. Actually, to understand the problem, I am writing step by step. If you do direct steps it will become easily, but to understand I am doing some more steps. That is the difference, right? So I got a value. 7 minus 1 will be 6 and 2 multiplication 6 2s are 12 plus 2 will become minus 12. 13 minus 12, 1. I got a D as well as A. You can substitute in this. So don't waste the time to substitute, right? I'm going to substitute n value. Okay, I think it is better to take here Sn is equal to 49, right? Sn is nothing but n by 2. I will take n by 2. I will write the formula n by 2 into 2. A. What is A? A I have, here you have A value 1 2a plus n minus 1 into D. D means you have 2 into D is equal to 49, right? So we need to simplify this, right? How to simplify? See step by step. N by 2, or we can write it as 2. Here it is divided, no, it will become multiply. So n into 2 plus here 2n. I'm multiplying this 2n minus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 49 to the 98. Okay, right. Here I got minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Here 2, n into n, what we get? N square is equal to 98. Here n square is equal to what we get? 98 by 2. That means we will get 49 itself. Okay, so n is equal to plus or minus 7. But n, what was asked? It was asked number of n value, number of terms should not be negative. Okay, numbers should not be negative number of terms. That's why n value will be 7. Okay, I got the conclusion. This is C will be the correct answer. Okay, see how I got first common difference is taken, as well as seventh term is 13, T7. From this I got A value, A as well as D. Using those I have substituted in this and I got n value. So n is equal to 7. Okay, of course we get plus or minus 7, but the number of terms should not be negative. That's why C is equal to 7. Right, this is another problem. Okay, now we are going to do one more problem, and which is changed to previous problems. Okay, now I'm going to do another problem. What is that problem? So as we seen before solving, we need to know what was given in question, right? Sum of n terms given. This is sum of n terms. Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. Okay, 3n square plus 5n. In this, Tm value given. Okay, what is Tm? And Tm is equal to 164. What is formula for Tm? A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 169. Here I don't know A as well as I don't know D. Okay, I will find A and D by using this Sn. Right? See how to find A and D. Right? In this Sn we have, from this I can find Sn minus 1. Okay, how to find Sn minus 1? Instead of n, substitute n minus 1. So 3 into n minus 1 whole square plus 5n means, instead of n, here n, here n. Instead of n, I have substituted n minus 1. Now don't waste the time to expand. Let us start. 3 into, we know a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab, as we know, right? So a square means n square plus 1 square value 1 minus 2ab is nothing but 2n into 1, 2n plus 5n. Now let us simplify. Multiply 3 to these, 3n square plus 3 minus 3 to the 6n plus 5n. Okay, next, that is equal to, some more simplification needed. 3n square minus 6n plus 5n, this will be minus n plus 3. Okay, let us check. 3 into n square plus 1 minus 2n plus 5n as it is. Now 3 multiplication, 3n square, 3 into 1, 3, 3 to the 6n plus 5n. 3n square, or minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 and plus 3. This we got Sn minus 1, right? Next, one more thing we have seen in earlier. What is that condition? Sn minus 1. What is Sn minus 1? Here Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. I will apply here. Okay, I got Sn as well as Sn minus 1. We know the formula Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. I will substitute here. What is Sn? Sn is nothing but 3n square plus 5n minus. Sn minus means we need to write bracket. Sn minus 1 we have. What is that? 3n square minus n plus 3. Okay, now I will simplify. 3n square plus 5n, this is plus, minus 3n square, minus into minus plus n, and here minus into plus minus 3. So plus 3n square minus 3n square cancel. So 5n plus n, 6n minus 3. Okay, I got Tn, nth term I got, right? So after getting nth term, Tn is nothing but Sn minus 1. We got 3n square plus 5n minus Sn minus 1 means 3n square minus n plus 3. Minus 3n square minus n minus into plus minus. 3n square got cancelled. 5 plus 1 6 and minus 3. Right? Here first term. What will be the first term? T is equal to T1. I can write it as 6 into 1 minus 3. What we get? 6 minus 3, 3. Second term, T2 is equal to 6 into 2 minus 3. That means 6 to the 12. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 means, okay, 12 minus 3 means what we get? 9. Okay, so we got 9. So then, what is the common difference? D is equal to 9 minus 3. Okay, so 9 minus 3 means 6. Common difference will be D is equal to 6. I got common difference, right? In question, what was asked? First term, what is the value of M? So I can substitute here. What is that? A means first term. How much first term is? 6. First term is 6. First term, I will substitute here. First term is 6. First term is 6. A is equal to 6. As well as common, A is equal to how much? 3 we know. Right. Direct I will substitute here. Right. What we get? That implies A. A means 3 plus m minus 1 into D. D means D value how much? 6 is equal to 169. Here we need to simplify. So 3 plus 6m minus 6 is equal to 169. That implies here 6m minus 3 minus 6 means minus 3 is nothing but 169. That means 6m is equal to 169 plus 3, 172. 6m is equal to m is equal to 172 divided by 6. 6 2 is 12. Okay, 172 by 6. So here little bit of change, I think 6n. Here we will get one more condition, little bit of change is there. Tn is nothing but 3n square plus 5n. In beginning 3n square plus 5n, right? 3n square plus 5n means 3 into n minus 1 whole square plus 5 into here little bit of change is there. Here we need to take n minus 1. This is the change. 5 into n minus 1 we need to take. Here we got 5. Okay, 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Here we get 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. Little bit of change. Minus 2. So here we will get minus 2. Okay, so just a moment. Just a moment, a little bit of this one. All right, I got this. Just a minute.
No, don't say you have to manage the screen first.
First, I need to control. Okay. So here 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. Little bit of change. 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. And here I will substitute this one. 3n square. And this is minus 2. Minus 2. Here what we get? Minus into minus plus. Plus 2 we get. Here plus 2 we get. These also changes. Okay, now I will do. So this is minus in minus plus 2. Okay, so here we get 6n plus 2, right? Just by doing a small mistake I got this one, right? So here the substitution also changes, so everything will be changed. I will do the changes. Okay, see this. First Tn is equal to 6n plus 2 I got, and after that n is equal to 1 I will take n is equal to 1. That implies T1 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 2. That is nothing but 6 plus 2, 8. N is equal to 2. We get T2 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 2. 12 plus 2 will be 14. Okay, so the sequence will be 8, 14 and so on will be there. So 14 minus 8. How much? 6 will be the common difference. D is equal to 6. By substituting here, we will get the answer. So A is equal to how much? 8. So substitute here A is equal to 8 plus m minus 1 into D. D is nothing but 6 is equal to 169. So 8 plus 6m minus 6 is equal to 169. So 6m plus 2 is equal to 169. 6m is equal to 169 minus here D is equal to 6. Okay, 6 minus 2. M is equal to, I got the condition, 160. This is 6. 8 minus 2, 8. 6, 6 2 is 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, right. And substitute here 169 means 8 plus m minus 1, 6m minus 6. 8 minus 6 means 2. 2 means 169, 167 by 6. Little bit of change is there. 6 plus 2, 169. 160, not, it is 164, I think. 164. 164. Right? So 164 means here also we need to take 164. Okay, so this is 164. So 164, here also 164. So 6m is equal to 164 minus 2. That is nothing but 162. 6m is equal to. So m is equal to, m is equal to what we get? 162 divided by 6. That means 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Okay, 4 sevens. Here we got m is equal to 27. Okay, so just a small change, we got different answer, but substituting n is equal to n minus 1, we got m is equal to 7. The correct answer will be 27. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching.